In this video, we will see bill of characteristic export operation and creation of a first article inspection reports. We can export bill of characteristic information, that is CN table information, in different file formats like CSV, XML, DFD, etc., which later can be used in downstream applications. Project file type is a neutral format which can be imported back into the solid edge document. Let's select project file type and click OK to continue. This stores the file with the extension as .ip XML. Let's delete the CN table and import the project file using open option from the Solid Edge Inspector pane. The same balloon and CM table information gets populated again on the drawing. This is very useful in case the user doesn't have the right access to the design. Now let's see report creation using which we can create first article inspection reports. Out of the box, one sample report and another report which is based on AS9102 standard has been added. We can create our own report templates and can add the same to Solid Edge Inspector. In the generated inspection report, we can navigate through different sheets. If needed, the CAD properties can be mapped to export template so that when we generate the report, the property values are populated automatically in the inspection report. Similarly, we can create a revision compare report by applying filter to CN table before generating the inspection report. The process remains same with the model based inspection, as it is the same export and report commands which are also available in the model environment. We can export and create inspection reports same as we saw it on the drawing environment. Thanks for watching.